everyone. Today we are going to discuss about understanding birds in detail. In the last class we have studied about body parts of the bird, beak and their feathers. Today we are going to start with feet and claws. The size and shape of feet and claws of the bird differ greatly. The claw of a bird help it to walk, swim, climb and perch. They also help the bird to catch, hold and eat food and provide protection from its enemies. Birds have 4 toes on each of the 2 feet. Let us learn more about feet and claws of different birds. First is perching birds. Birds like crow, sparrow, parrot have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Their toes help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. This act is called perching. They can even sleep while perching without falling because the toes continues to grip the branch firmly. Next, climbing birds. Climbing birds like woodpecker have 2 toes sticking out backward and 2 toes in the front. They have long curved toes. These toes help them to climb up and hold on to the trees. Next, flesh-eating birds. Birds of prey like eagle, vulture and hawk have strong and sharp claws called talons. These talons help them to catch and hold their prey like mice, rats and toads. Next, scratching birds. Birds like hen have strong legs with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. These toes have sharp and hard claws to help them scratch the ground for seeds and worms. Wading birds. Birds like heron and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. This bird walk on the mud in the shallow water of the ponds to catch their prey such as crab. Their toes help them to stand on soft mud without sinking and long legs help them to walk without getting their feathers wet. Swimming birds. Birds like duck and geese have webbed feet with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The front toes are joined by skin forming a web. The webbed feet push against the water and move the bird forward. This helps them to swim and glide in water. Now, let us study about nesting habit of bird. Birds build nests to lay their egg. They build their nest in safe and hidden place like rooftop, ceiling fan, old building, poles, hollow of trees and in bushes. This place saves them from enemies and bad weather. Birds use leaves, twig, grass, feather, cotton, rag, mud and even pebbles to build their nest. The nest prevents the egg and the young ones from falling down and keep them safe and warm. Different birds build different types of nests. Now let us study about them. First, scrap nest. Birds like penguin, ostrich, vulture make scrap nests. They are shallow depressions in ground or in leaf litters. These nests are sometimes lined with leaves, grasses, small stones or feathers. This material helps them to camouflage the egg, keep them warm and in place. Burrow nest. Birds like swallow, kingfisher make burrow nest. They dig the ground with their bills and push the soil out of cavity by shuffling their feet. Cavity nest. Birds like woodpecker, owl and parrot make cavity nest. This bird make a cavity in a living or a dead tree. Cavities are normally made on downward facing side of a branch to protect them from predator and rain. Cupped nest. As the name suggests, these nests are cup-shaped. They are made in a variety of locations like branches of trees, shrubs, ground, etc. They are mostly made of grass and have deep depression for the egg. Hummingbird and tailor birds make this type of nest. Pendant nest. The weaver birds and sunbirds weave a pendant nest. The nest is very beautiful and strong. It is made of twig, straw and grass. The nest hangs from branch of a tree and has a tunnel-like opening at the bottom through which the bird enters its home. Care of the young one. You already know that birds lay their egg in nest. While one of the parents sit on the egg to warm them, the other parent protect them from enemies. After a few days, young birds come out of egg. This is called hatching. I hope this session is clear to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.